everyone. Welcome to Driving Production. I'm JP, and today we're upgrading the tail light bulbs on the Mazda 3.
Alright guys, so this is all brand new from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. So what happened is just I had one of my brake lights that went out, so I decided to upgrade the brake lights, the tail lights, and the backup lights at the same time. So I got two of the same, I guess, brightness for the brake lights and the turn signals, and then I got one a little bit brighter for the backup lights to see a little bit better. For the turn signal, so it doesn't flash like crazy fast, you'll need to get a set of resistor wiring harness, and I'll also put this in the description below. So to start off, we'll start off with the left side. You just have to twist this counterclockwise, pull it straight, and then from there you can see on the inside you'll see the jack, and in the back there's two looms, and you can just disconnect those. Once the wires are taken out, you can twist the bulb holder counterclockwise, and the bulb should easily come out. For the right side, you just have to take this, kind of pry it to the bottom, and it kind of falls out. You can remove this, and then again you'll see the same two flasher and light bulb for the brake light, and then you can just disconnect it. To take the actual bulb out of the socket, you just have to pull on it. If it feels tight quite a bit, that's normal. The same process is applied, but in reverse. To install, you press down on the bulb until it's firmly in place. Then you can put the bulb back in by lining up the grooves on the bulb socket with the hole and twist clockwise. This is when I put the bulb and the bulb socket in the resistor harness, and I realized I had fitment issues. At first I thought it might be the rubber gasket that was too thick, but it ended up being the grooves location on the new harness that weren't in the same place as the Mazda 3. Here I just wanted to make sure that the resistor actually worked, and it actually did his job. Since at that point I had decided to just hardwire the new harness before the actual OEM plug. What I did is I connected the OEM clip where the resistor bulb socket was, connected the yellow wire with the red and the black wire with the black one, and then connected the other side of the resistor with the OEM harness. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. The same thing applies for the other side, but instead of a yellow wire, it's a gray wire. When plugging back the harness, the yellow clip goes for the brake and tail light, and the gray one goes for the flasher. Now we can put our trim pieces back on. If you're doing the reverse light, the only tool you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, and it's only to pop out the plastic trim. To remove the reverse light, it's the exact same process as the brake lights and the flasher light. The bulb is the exact same, so you just unplug the wire, and then you can twist counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Once you've installed the bulb in the socket, You can just reinstall the bulb by putting it in the hole and then twisting clockwise and reconnecting the wire. Once that's done, to reinstall the plastic trim piece, you just need to realign the two prongs at the back and then press upwards to hear it click into place. And that's how you change the taillight bulbs on a 2012 Mazda 3. Now this is what they look like once they're all installed. This is with the lights turned on. Then this is the brake lights. Then the left turn signal, right turn signal, and finally the reverse lights. Let me know what you think of this DIY in the comments below, and please consider subscribing if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.